Let's make some pitas. Let's go. So the reason I love making pita bread is because it's super quick and easy to put together. So we're gonna start off with 4 cups of flour going in there. We got our sugar, 2 teaspoons, 2 teaspoons of salt, 2 tablespoons of olive oil. We can start getting this going. We got our yeast, which is already bloomed right here. We could add that into our water. And I like to bloom my yeast to make sure that the final product is gonna be exactly what I'm looking for and I don't have dead yeast. So 4 cups of flour, 1.5 cups of water, lukewarm. This really comes together really quick. Another 1/2 cup of water here. All right, now that we got our pita dough fully combined, it's ready to go. It's ready to rest now. So now we let the yeast do all its work, eat all that beautiful sugar up, and double the size of this dough. Let's go. So I'm gonna get the rest of that oil, and we're just gonna let this dough rest. After the dough has doubled in size, we're gonna punch it down, and then we're ready to form our beautiful pitas. For this recipe, I got about 7 pitas. You can get about 6 or 8, depending on how big or small you like them. And then we're gonna just plastic wrap it and put it in the fridge. After shaping our dough and letting it rest for 3 hours in the cooler, we're ready to go. We preheated our oven to 475 with a baking stone and rolled out our beautiful pitas. If you don't want to bake them that same day, you can go ahead and bake them the next day. But look at these beautiful pitas coming out of the oven, and that baking stone gives it that super crunchy exterior that we're looking for and super fluffy inside. Fresh pitas, something a staple in my household and something that I make at least once a week when I'm at home. And it goes amazing with some fresh made hummus. So make sure to check out that recipe, but nothing really beats a fresh baked pita.